Hello everybody, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. Today we got a special video. This is going to start a new series that's going to be coming every so often, and that is we are going to be building a computer, and we are using the Talos M1 mid-tower PC case to start, and this is by Gamdias or Gamdias. So I'm excited. This one looks really cool. The tower looks like it's going to be a extremely fun build tower. So let's go ahead and get started. I will go over a couple of things that this tower also provides right away. And here we go. That is, it's got a switchable I/O and logo plate. It's got 12-inch RGB fans, so you get two of them, 2 RGB strips, swing door design, fan speed control, one touch, change, I think light, vertical radiator view. So that's just a little bit of what this tower offers. So here it is. Alright, so right now it's upside down. Let's go ahead and turn it right side up. Oh, let's see. Let's go ahead and oh, that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and take off. Alright, here we go. So that's pretty awesome. Tempered glass, not the cheap plastic. So, wow, that's nice. Here we go. That is cool. I love that. Right there, that is just awesome. Swinging door. Oh, that is beautiful. This has to be one of the nicest cases I've seen. That is so nice. Nice tempered glass. Nice swinging door setup. That is awesome. And look at this. Up here, it's breathable. Let's go ahead and close the door. Show you guys up close here. This whole section is all breathable. That is extremely awesome because you want that for a gaming computer. You want that for a gaming build. So this is what the back looks like. You got plenty of slots that you can take out. So it comes with, let's see, I believe it comes with the power. You just got to add your own power source to it. Let's go ahead and turn it around on the front here. If you guys are interested, you can find this product in my video description. So guys, this is going to be a fun computer build. So here's the side. Our motherboard's going to be facing up here. And it looks like, oh, that's nice. Easy access for fans up in here. That's really cool. That's definitely awesome. So here's all of the wires that you need in here. So that's also USB 3.0. Over here you got hard drive mounting brackets, so that's nice as well. It looks like they supplied 2 of them. So we could run 2 drives just like this. So you put the drive in and then you slide everything in like that. And then you simply pull it out like this to get the drive back out. It looks like, yes, SSD and HDD, so you can support both. So that is awesome. This is the Talos M1 mid-tower PC case by Gamdias. The dimensions of this, which is H by W by D, 448 by 210 by 466 mm, 17.6 by 8.3 by 18.3 inches. The case type is a mid-tower. It's made with tempered glass, SPCC, and ABS materials. The side panel is 4 mm tempered glass times 2, the left and the front. It supports motherboards 6.7 inches by 6.7 inches, considered mini ITX, or 9.6 inches by 9.6 inches micro ATX, or 12 inches by 9.6 inches ATX. It has a logo light, which is yellow LEDs. It has panel lights, which are 7 different colors. I/O port, USB 3.0, 2 of them. USB 2.0, 2 of them. It has a mic port, headphone port, fan LED control, and speed controller. Expansion slots 7 plus 2. Drive bays 2 times 3.5 inches or 2 times 2.5 inches. HDD cage or 2 by 2.5 inches. It has radiator support. Front 1 by 240 mm or 1 times 280 mm. Rear 1 times 120 mm. It has fan support. Top 2 by 120 mm, 2 by 140 mm. Front 2 by 120 mm, 2 by 140 mm. The rear 1 by 120 mm, 1 by 140 mm. PSU, ATX PS2. Clearance. The CPU cooler height limitation would be 168 mm. VGA length limitation would be 350 mm. PSU length limitation would be 180 mm. Now over my personal opinion of working with this tower and building this tower. This tower is extremely nice. It's perfect in size. It's not too thin. It's not too bulky. It's just perfect. There's plenty of breathable areas for fans for maximum airflow. The LED lights are just beautiful in this system. This tower is well built, and this is coming from somebody who already has a CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme. This tower is definitely much nicer than the Gamer Extreme tower that we currently run. The tempered glass is just a perfect touch to an overwhelmingly perfect tower. If anybody is building a computer, I highly recommend this tower because it is just stunning.